Green city is a living city. I firmly believe that there's still an urban growth without losing our nature. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why I am standing here in front of you as a representative of our organization, which is Advocate for NON, or Nurturing Our Nature. Because in the past 4 years that we have experienced a severe pandemic and calamities, I firmly believe that we almost forget to take care of our Mother Earth or our nature. Dahil lagi natin pakatatandaan, paano mo sasabihin sa ilog na dumaloy ito kung tayo mismo ang nagtatapon ng basura dito? Paano mo sasabihin sa mga puno na maging matatag ito kung tayo mismong mga tao ang pumuputol nito? At paano natin sasabihin sa mga ibon na humuni ito kung tayo mismo ang nangangaso at pumapatay dito? Tandaan ho natin, ang kalikasan kayang-kayang mabuhay po kahit wala tayong mga tao. Ngunit tayo mga tao ay hindi kayang mabuhay nang wala ang ating inang kalikasan. Kaya naman po, ladies and gentlemen, sabay-sabay huta natin gawin ang tinatawag nating proper waste management and segregation and tree planting. Nang sa ganon, we can gain back the green life of our city, which is the Caloocan. Thank you and good evening.